Hello students, let's start with next topic organelle, that is mitochondria. So mitochondria is also known as a powerhouse of cell. Why it's known as powerhouse of cell? And it is also known as semi-autonomous organelle, powerhouse of cell. Why? Because serve as site for synthesis of ATP. It is a site for ATP. यहाँ पे ATP synthesize होता है, which is energy currency. ठीक है, कैसे? Aerobic cellular respiration. Okay, and it is also known as semi-autonomous organelles. Why? They have their own DNA and ribosomes. Why? They have own DNA and ribosome. Okay, and it was discovered by Colliker. It was discovered by Colliker in flight muscles, and this term was given by Banda. It was given by Banda. Next, number. Is it visible? Number. So one is present in one mitochondrial participant in chlorella. 5 lakh mitochondria. In flight muscle cells. Energy requirement is more na cha energy ka 50,000 in giant amoeba. Chaos. Next, come to the diagram. It is a double membranous structure. They have own DNA, ribosomes, crista. This you are aware. It is outer membrane. This folding the diagram. So this inner one is inner membrane. The inner membrane, they have more protein and they are selectively permeable. Remember, more protein and selectively permeable. And outer opposite outer less protein and it is permeable. And this foldings which you are oxysomes, and these are oxysomes. And this is circular DNA. And this is 70S ribosomes. It is circular DNA rich in cytosine and guanine. ये तुम लोग पढ़ोगे. Cytosine and guanine. I am writing C and G. Okay. Higher denaturation temperature is higher. This is oxysomes. I will explain the structure. You can say F0, F1 particle, or you can say elementary particle. It is inner compartment. And it is the space between inner and outer membrane is known as perimitochondrial space. This is perimitochondrial space, or you can say outer compartment. And this folding is known as crista. Very important. So this is the structure of mitochondria. Okay, you people are not. Next point, remember, what ribosomes in mammalian mitochondria. It is 55S type. Okay. S type, 38S and F28S. Now come to the structure of oxysomes. This consists of, and this is F0 particle embedded in membrane. Okay, it is F0 particle embedded in membrane. And it is stalk. F5, F6 is particle stalk, and this is F1 particle or head. What is the function of F1 particle? It acts as ATPase. Act as ATPase, helps in ATP synthesis. In bracket, ATP synthetase. This is a structure of oxysome. Act as ATPase, ATP synthetase. Next, come to the structure of a crystal. And how many oxysomes are there? Number of oxysomes 10,000 to 1 lakh. 10,000 to 1 lakh per mitochondria. Next, come to the structure of what I am saying, matrix crystal. Okay. So let me draw, then I will explain. So students, this is outer membrane. क्रिस्टा बना रही हूँ. This is outer membrane. This is inner membrane. And this space here is filled with matrix. Okay, inner membrane, and this is M phase. M phase means towards matrix. M phase means towards factor. M is here for matrix. Towards matrix जो रहेगा वो M phase है. M phase towards matrix, and this is inner membrane. Outer membrane, inner membrane है. तो ये इनर मेम्ब्रेन हुआ, ये आउटर मेम्ब्रेन. मैट्रिक्स की तरफ जो फेस हो रहा है उसको हम लोग कह देंगे एम फेस. एंड दिस वन इज सी फेस, और यू कैन से सिस्टोल फेस. साइटोसोल phase. ये हो गया. Let me write down, this is matrix. This is the structure of crista. This space is outer chamber. And now come to this particle. Oxysomes F0, Fn. This one is F0 ATP synthase. This is F0, I have explained. F5, F6, and the upper one is F1. और जो C phase M phase बताया वो inner membrane का है. Let me write down. M phase of inner membrane. Cytosol phase of inner membrane. So, what else are the point related to mitochondria? It shows cytoplasmic inheritance. What else? Krebs cycle takes place here. This you will study in respiration chapter. Okay. Mitochondrial matrix. And why it is known as powerhouse? The surface site for synthesis of ATP, the energy currency, through aerobic respiration. Okay. So we have done with the mitochondria.